Welcome to our channel. If you want to set screen time limits on Hulu to manage viewing time for yourself or family members, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the Hulu app on your streaming device or visit the Hulu website on your computer. Step 2. Log into your Hulu account using your email and password. Step 3. Note that Hulu does not have a built-in screen time limit feature, so you will need to use device-level parental controls or screen time settings. Step 4. On an iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, then tap Screen Time. Step 5. Select App Limits and tap Add Limit. Step 6. Choose Entertainment from the category list and select Hulu. Step 7. Set a daily time limit for Hulu usage and tap Add to apply the restriction. Step 8. On Android devices, use the Digital Wellbeing feature by going to Settings, selecting Digital Wellbeing, and tapping on Dashboard. Step 9. Find Hulu in the app list and set a daily timer to limit usage. Step 10. On smart TVs and streaming devices, check if the device has parental controls or time limit settings that can be applied to Hulu. Step 11. Monitor usage regularly and adjust time limits as needed to ensure healthy viewing habits. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.